How to create a box plot with an odd set of data. The first thing I'm going to do is count my data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is an odd number, so my data is an odd set of data. Then I'm going to put the numbers in order. I'm going to make sure to count them again so that I know that I got all the numbers. If I miss a number, my answers will all be incorrect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good, we're ready to go. Box plots are all about the median. I want you to write down these 5 letters so that we can keep track of our answers. L is the low extreme. LQ is the low quartile. M is the median. HQ is the high quartile. And H is the high extreme. When I said that the box plots were all about the median, I meant that the low quartile is the median of the low numbers. The median is the median of the entire data. And the high quartile is the median of the high numbers. Step 1 is to find the median. Remember, the most important step to finding the median is making sure that the numbers are in order. Median is the middle number in a data set. Let's find the median. Remember that our data is odd. I have a trick because the number is odd. Odd has one middle, so our data set will have only one number in the middle. Let's cross off a small number and a large number. Small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, and there our number is in the middle. 8 is our median. Let's write our answer for median 8. Step 2 is to find the low quartile. LQ is the lower quartile. This is the median of the low numbers. We're going to split the data in half. The median will not be included. This is what I mean. The median is 8. The median is not included in the low, and it is not included in the high. Let's start with the low, because we're finding the low quartile. The low numbers are 2, 3, 3, 5, and 7, and we are going to find the median by crossing out a small number and a large one. Small, large, and our median is 3. That means that our low quartile is 3. Write that down on your answer key. The low quartile is 3. HQ is the higher quartile. This is the median of the high numbers. Again, we will not be including the median of the entire data set. So the high numbers are 8, 10, 12, 13, and 14. And we are going to find the median by crossing off a small number and a large. Small, large, and our median is 12, which means that our high quartile is 12. Write that on your answer key, that the high quartile is 12. We have now found the 3 different medians from a box plot, so we only have 2 things left to do, the low extreme and the high extreme. Step 4 is to find the low extreme. The low extreme is the lowest number in the data set. So we look at all of the numbers in our data, and we see which one the lowest number is. 2 is our lowest number. So that is our low extreme. Write it on your answer key that 2 is the low extreme. Our 5th step is to find the high extreme. The high extreme is the highest number in the data set. What we're going to do is we are going to find the highest number in our data set. 14 is the highest number. That is our high extreme. Write it on your answer key that 14 is your high extreme. Let's create create a box plot. We have our 5 answers, so we will have 5 dots. On our number line, our dot does not go directly on the number line. It kind of floats above it, like this. I plotted the low extreme, which is 2. See how it's floating? Let's plot our low quartile, which is 3, our median, which is 8, our high quartile, which is 12, and our high extreme, which is 14. Now remember how I said that the box plot is all about the medians? These 3 dots represent the 3 different medians. I like to say that they're all going to get little friendship bracelets because they're all part of the same club. So let's put a little friendship bracelet on the low quartile, the median, and the high quartile because they're all part of the median club. Next, let's close our box plot and draw our whiskers. We have created our box plot. Now let's review. The first dot is the low extreme. The next one is the low quartile. The middle one is the median. Next is the high quartile. And the last one is the high extreme. Interquartile range, or IQR, tells you how far the middle data is spread out from the median. Let's find the IQR. Range is subtracting the highest and lowest numbers. Since the IQR is the interquartile range, we will still be subtracting. We will be subtracting the low quartile from the high quartile. The low quartile is 3 and the high quartile is 12. So we are going to subtract those two to get 9. The interquartile range, or the IQR, is 9. 9 describes how far apart the 2 quartiles are from the median.